Alright, in this video I'm just going to go over the radiators I bought from eBay. I was hesitant to actually buy them because of the quality. I questioned the quality. I knew by the price that they would be from China, and some of the things I've had from China have actually been good. Some of the things have been very cheap, but for these I purchased them for $175, I think, both side radiators with the guards, and I was actually very pleased with the quality of them. They were kind of hard to fit, but once they were on, they fit fine. You do have to get an M6 by 1 by 16 millimeter bolt. I chose the hex head to use. Remove the old hardware from the old radiators and they'll mount right up. Yeah, for $175 with guards, now I feel like if I've damaged one, I'll just buy them again for that price. It's definitely worth it. So quality appears to be good. I haven't ran it yet, so I don't know if the cooling's going to be affected, but supposedly they're like a 1/4 inch thicker, so I expect cooling to actually be better, and they're pretty solid, so I wouldn't hesitate to buy them again. Looks like Amazon and eBay, both of them, multiple brands or multiple companies list these same radiators, I think. All right, hope that helps. Bye.